Here's the question. 9 divided by 3, bracket, 6 minus 3 divided by 3. So let's solve it. First, we'll solve 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Inside the bracket, 6 minus 3 divided by 3, bracket close. Now we'll solve inside the bracket. 3 divided by 3, that becomes 1. So inside the bracket, it's 6 minus 1. Now, if we solve further, inside the bracket, 6 minus 1 becomes 5. Now, if we do 3 times 5, 3 times 5 is 15. This is the answer, but this is the wrong method. Now, let's rewrite the question. 9 divided by 3, bracket, 6 minus 3 divided by 3. So first, we'll solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, we'll also solve the division. So 3 divided by 3, that becomes 1. So inside the bracket, it's 6 minus 1. Now let's solve further. 9 divided by 3. Bracket, 6 minus 1. Let's solve further. 9 divided by 3. Inside the bracket, 6 minus 1 becomes 5. Now let's solve it. 9 divided by 3, when we remove the bracket close, it becomes multiplied by 5. Now, if we check from left to right, the first priority is division, so we'll solve the division. The second priority is multiplication, so we'll solve the multiplication. So 9 divided by 3 times 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, 3 times 5 equals 15. This is the right answer.